SafeLink Wireless provides subsidized phones and service to eligible low-income individuals. The service is operated by TracFone, part of Verizon. First, check your eligibility through the National Verifier database or by providing proof of participation in qualifying programs. Use the SafeLink website or app to verify your status. Next, acquire a SafeLink phone from authorized retailers or online. These include basic flip phones or smartphones with 4G or 5G support. Insert the SIM card if it's not already in the phone. Power on the device and connect to Wi-Fi for activation. Visit trackphone.com/activate and enter the phone's IMEI number. This can be found on the box or in the device settings. Provide your personal details and create an account if needed. Submit required documents like proof of income or benefits. Upload them via the website or app. Activation typically takes 1 to 7 days. Select a Lifeline subsidized plan and activate your service. Plans start at $9.99 per month for 2 GB data, unlimited talk and text, with free options for full subsidies. Finally, ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Contact customer service at 1-800-723-3839 if you encounter issues. SafeLink makes activation simple and accessible for eligible users. Experiencing issues? No signal? Check the SIM card or location. Activation delayed? Verify document submission and contact customer service at 1-800-723-3839. Use the TracFone app for real-time help, including number porting. Secure your account with two-factor authentication and avoid sharing personal info. Key tools include the TracFone website's activation status checker and the app's diagnostics. Expect future trends to include more data-centric plans, AI-driven troubleshooting, and potential expansion to rural areas. Be aware of potential funding cuts affecting subsidies. Stay updated at safelink.com for the latest information.